Welcome to this presentation and webinar. We want you to take a pen and a biro to take some notes down. Congrats for seeing this video. You must have seen it either through an opt-in page or maybe through our media channels. I want you to understand that this video will be one of the detailed video you ever watched this year and this month and this week. And if you are very serious about this business opportunity I'm about to present to you, you'll be making for yourself a decent amount of money online in Nigeria. I want you to understand that the worth of telecom business in Africa or in Nigeria is around 70 billion. And that data is from the NCC. And for you to tap into this business opportunity, you really want to do something that is right. And that is you owing for yourself an income generating automated airtime and data dispensing VTU website. Okay, so you may ask yourself, why airtime and data? Why not cables, electricities, and all that? The answer is very simple. According to statistics and data we have gathered several years ago, data and airtime remains the indispensable products in the market on telecom business. So get these two products right, and then you make a lot of money in the process. If I proceed, my name is Shedrach. I'm a full-time web developer and also a VTU advocate in Africa. I own a lot of web interface that has to do with recharging of both airtime and data and cables. I've built thousands of VTU websites in the past, and I want this to be a game changer for you in the sense that when you go in for this, you're going to thank me later. I'm not here to talk about me. I'm here to talk about you because you are the person that's in need to be assisted in terms of getting things right, in terms of telecom business. So my duty and my aim of making this training open for everybody is to open your eye to the possibility of this application I'm about to show you and present to you why you need to get started at the shortest time within 6 hours. If you are very serious, you get started right now and start making for yourself consistent cash on demand. What is cash on demand? A situation whereby money keep flowing into your bank account irrespective of how the situation of the country can face. So without wasting time, let's continue with the presentation. Now, from the VTU portal, from the creator of VTU portal scripts, I was the one that started talking about VTU portal creator script. That was 2021 in one of our businesses. So we are the owner of this particular script, but this is not VTU portal creator, guys. But I'm just like trying to remind you that the people that is actually powering this solution are also the people that build this particular application that has helped thousands of Nigerians to own their own VTU airtime and data reseller business. But after the launch of VTU Portal Creator, there was several limitations that the software imposed, like its inability to have a membership system where you can categorize your users in several a kind of membership system and give different discounts, and actually being a universal kind of software that you can connect to different API. These are what we're going to be looking at in this presentation. So I want you to take it that this particular solution is brought to you by the same people that created this software, which is VTU Portal Creator. Then what is UVS? It simply means Universal VTU Script. Okay. And it's a dynamic and new. Okay. It's new and dynamic automated V2 portal creator scripts that allow you to start V2 business in Nigeria under 1 to 12 hours. In fact, this time is 1 to 6 hours, guys, if you are very serious. Okay, so what do we mean by automated? Automated means that once the product is requested from the website, it gets delivered to the recipient automatically. So that is what Universal VTU Script works. And why is the name Universal? Universal. You will discover that when they say that something is universal, it means that that thing is not dependent on a particular base. So what we're saying in essence is that the UVS is a universal V2 protocol creator, meaning that you can connect it to several other API terminals at a time. But I'm going to still explain it more on the down section of this presentation. This solution and application is developed to help you run an automated airtime VTU, data delivering, and membership kind of business. Okay, so you run airtime VTU data membership kind of VTU website in Nigeria, making nothing less than 300K every month. I'm going to show you that. Okay, with this script and VTU business setup solution, you can run membership upgrade and VTU portal setup solution in a matter of 12 hours in Nigeria. Universal VTU Script is a standalone application which you can connect to thousands of gateway providers for product delivery, meaning you are not in any way tied down to one particular API provider. This script is not a reseller script. A reseller script is a script that enables you to connect to a particular gateway system. And if anything goes wrong with that place where you connected your script to, your service will not be delivering. So we do consider all these odds before we come with this application. This application is mind-blowing in the sense that you, being the owner of the project, can connect to several API that can power your website. So that if site A is having issue, you can switch to site B. If site B is having issue, you can switch to site C. This is a mind-blowing automated VTU and airtime data dispensing VTU script that does the heavy lifting for you. The script fully supports the automated vending of airtime and data. Cable and other bill payment is on its way on the future update. So you should be aware that the two present application as a kind of services in the script is airtime and data, so that you will not get it and then you said cable is there. What about cable? Cables may be there, but you can program them to work on a manual mode. When a user requests for such services, you deliver it using a manual mode. But the main two services, product something that is completely automated in the application is airtime and data and membership system. Now, you may ask yourself, why is these two products there alone? The answer is just looking at you, which is data and airtime is the main telecom product out there, and which any VTU website needed to get it right. And this is where Universal VTU Script comes in. The most sought after and highly profitable telecom product in Nigeria today is airtime VTU and data. You should be noting something down in this presentation. So what I'm trying to tell you in this presentation is that no matter how it is, no matter how you see it, airtime and data remains the most viable product in telecom business. I can vividly remember occasionally when I do subscribe Go TV or DSTV for my family. So it's an occasional product. You cannot tell me that you should mount the energy in cable. Why if you are in, people can even, before people can trust you with like maybe 2,000, 3,000 to recharge their cable, They must have trusted you with a little amount of money. And how do they trust you with a little amount of money? When they must have buy airtime and data from you. So instead of mounting energy in where there is no profit, mount energy to where there is a lot of profit to be made. And that is airtime and data. And you must run your business around these products if you really want to make a lot of money in the process, which is airtime and data. Data is a highly in demand every day, and if you can use the concept of low charge to run this business, making 300K is very easy, and even scaling it up to ₦1 million per month is very possible. Now, here are main reasons why you should consider airtime and data kind of V2 business based on return of investment. If you look on this calculation, you discover that only on airtime VTU, if you are vending airtime here, if you create a VTU automated system using this particular application we are offering you, which is Universal VTU Portal Creator software, and maybe you run a campaign for people to use your VTU system for airtime vending, and let's say you have 1,000 VTU users who buy 100 naira worth of airtime at a discount rate of 2%, and you are retaining 2% pay VTU vending on your portal. So in mass, your 1,000 clients are vending airtime worth this, which is 100,000, and you are making this, which is you're making 2,000 naira for this, each airtime of 100 naira. And then if that being the case, in a month's time, you are going to be making, what's it called? Each 100 airtime from 1,000 clients. If that, yeah, if they are vending 200 naira each, you'll be making 4,000. If it is 500 vending per client, your profit will be 500 daily. In a month, your profit will be based on the volume of your sale. So I want you to understand that for you to make money in this business, it depends on volumes, okay? So for you to make 150K on airtime vending, you need to have more clients. And the good aspect of this script is this. It is automated, meaning that even if you have 10 million people using the script, it will never break down and it will keep on serving them automatically. So that is the power of it. Then if you go to data, data is you make more huge profit there. And you can see the mass calculation here. Okay. We are going to be leaving the link in the description of this presentation so that you check out all this mass calculation in this page on this, wherever you're watching it from. So this Universal VTU script is what you need now. You know why? Because the demand for automated VTU portal is high right now. And of course, the old fashion of load buying airtime is through prepaid or scratch card, which is no longer in vogue. Right now, several companies, even bankers, spring up to run this business. And that is what we are trying to present for you on this very presentation. So I don't want this presentation to be very lengthy, but I want you to understand that there's a key unique features of VTU, Universal VTU Script that we enable you to run this business like a pro. One of them is mobile-friendly app. We are also taking consideration of how mobile it is. This was one of the greatest setback to VTU Product Creator. So it wasn't mobile friendly. So many users were all coming back telling us that the app is not that mobile friendly. But with this script, it is developed to be mobile friendly and very responsive in all devices, be it on laptop, desktop, your smartphone. It is from smartness from day one. Okay, now automated system. Automated system, I've already emphasized that airtime data, upgrade of members, both downgrade and upgrade, are all automated, and the script handles more than 1 million traffic per seconds through our powerful cloud-based SSD server system. The server that your website to be hosted is on USS, so whereas be assured that it's not on Nigerian server, which may have issue in a couple of times. This is completely on a very cloud-based server using SSD. SSD means solid state drive, okay, against the HDD, which is very, very low in terms of server load time. Okay. The multiple API switch. Of course, this is the major reasons why this script you must get it. You know why? Because this script support thousands of API switch on airtime and data, making you the admin independent of any API provider. You can have one API for airtime, another API for data. This script permits that, guys. It permits you to have this. All you have to do is to get through a little training, which we're going to show you, and then you get started by switching to any provider of your choice. Unique administrative backend. Of course, that is the beauty of the script. Everything is so simple from the admin. We fall in love with the admin user interface because you can manage everything from your mobile device, guys. You can manage everything from your mobile phone. So you don't need to have a laptop, a very sophisticated gadget to get this business started. It also has a automated referral system. The reason for the referral system is to enable your business go far. You know why? Because most VTU websites always consider referral program as a very good incentive, unique system that enables people to use a leverage system to be making money in the system. Now, there is an inbuilt mini. Mini means it's not like it's the central focus, but this referral system works like magic. This is an inbuilt mini automated referral program, which you, the admin, can set up a user so users can start referring people to the system to earn massive rewards through membership upgrade, product purchase. So two things happen in the system. When a user decides to make an upgrade, he or she is entitled to pay money into the system. That money that the person is paying, either 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. Where does the money? How do you spend the money? Do you give the person that referred the person their money? If you are giving the person, how much out of that 5,000 are you going to give that person? If you say it's 2,000, okay, that person goes home with 2,000. That refers that person that upgraded, because the person that is upgrading to get further discounts in the products and services. So that's how the referral system works. This software permits that. Membership system. Admin can set up membership upgrade fees and decide what happens and how the money are spread across the system, both the persons who refer someone and how much that come to the admin. I already explained that. Now, price adjustment. Of course, you as admin, you can adjust price as you wish. This price adjustment cut across both the people that upgraded and people that are not upgraded. How much are you going to give them as a discount? All this can be set up from the back end of the application. Then auto banking is also here, guys. Auto banking has to do with when a user registered, he or she is assigned a virtual account that he or she can make payments for wallet funding. This is configurable on the admin end. You can configure that directly from the admin end. Okay, you can also enable ATM or manual funding in the system. These three payment system is 100% efficient in the system. That include Paystack and Modify is there, and Monarchify is there. Now, here is what people are saying about this script. You can read about their testimonies, because I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and then you can be able to see how this script is changing people's life. Okay, this is Maria Tunadule. He says, my sale went high. Okay, now, I was shocked with using an old outdated script from our provider when I came across the advert on YouTube about UVS by Mr. Shedrach. Thank God I bought it during the launch time. My sale now climbed the ceiling. When you are watching this, the system must have gone live, because when we did the pre-launch last couple of days, week, it was mind-blowing. So many people take action. But I want to present this to you because here we have a very good face about the script and the plans and prices as a result of the categories and the features attached to it. Now, this is also Carl Newman. He's a visual web owner. He says the script is superb, even though being an old client of Mr. Shedrach. I updated my VTU website to the new VTU script, and I can see now why the script is superb. in terms of functions and fast. Now, you that is watching this presentation, you already have a VTU website from our companies, from different, either from any of our platforms. This is a time you get this new automated script, Universal VTU Script, because it will help you to skyrocket your business in a very fast lane. Okay, now these are what you are going to be getting. Let me just give you a recap of what you're going to get. You're going to be getting automated VTU airtime and data delivering system. This script comes fully loaded with airtime and data delivering system. As I said before, you as admin can add extra data plan as you wish. Even if you think we do not cover all the bundles from your gateway system, all data and airtimes are delivered instantly when your user request for it. So that is the reason everything must be automatic. Okay, if anything, if you didn't get the data devalidations, the system will not even process the order because it's not a manual system. I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to be going about this section. Okay, once you must have bought the script, everything will be let loose, how you can manipulate the system to favor you in terms of running it like a pro. Now you're going to have complete membership upgrade system and pricing system. The script comes with 3 tiers membership levels: subscribers, vendors, and agents. So when a user registers, he or she is seen as a subscriber. So when he or she wants to now upgrade, these 2 membership is available for him or her, which is vendor. The person can become a vendor or the person can become an agent. Now, this is where the story gets very funny and very interesting. You know why? It allows you, the admin, to define the upgrade fee for agent and vendor and also give you room to define the purchase commissions and discount across each membership levels. You know, when we are describing a software or application, we must have already seen the function and the capacity of the software. So pay attention for the descriptions and utilize each features of the software. Don't just program one section and leave the other sections. Now, you as admin can define memberships, define commissions that are tied. That entices members to think for upgrade. And when they're upgrading, you as admin is making money in the process. Or maybe your member that referred that person is also making money in the process. So each member's upgrade comes with a pricing system in mind, giving your subscriber comprehensive summary of what they will be getting when they perform upgrade on the system. So these are what the system presents for your non-upgraded member. They will be forced to perform the upgrade. Once they see that their features they are getting is not that much, they'll be able to get the upgrade system rolling. Complete automated mini referral system and cashback system. Users who register on the app are given a referral link to invite someone, and when the person they invite to upgrade their account, they earn. That is the first thing that the money comes in. This is called the active income because they have to work it out by getting people to come into the system. And then when they buy product, those they refer, they also watch in. This is called a passive income. This feature makes it possible for your VTU portal to start gaining ground in no time because everyone earns from the system for each action they take. Each users who register on the system are given a cashback when they make purchases of airtime or data. So the system also puts the members in mind. So if I'm a participant, even if I didn't upgrade and I'm making product purchase, I'll be given a little amount of money from the project discount from the original prices. Okay, you as admin can set up each single product cashback from your admin end. This alone make it possible for your users to enjoy true passive income, knowing fully well that they make money when they buy product. This is for upgraded users, guys. People that have upgraded, their prices is not the same thing with the people that didn't upgrade. Completely white labeled, guys. This script is white labeled, meaning that we do not add any link that point back to us as the developer. Most other companies that are building this kind of vast solutions, they do one funny things. At the end of the footer of the sites, you will see them, they will be linking to create traffic back to their own company website. This is killing your business in the long run, because if you are running a very mega business telecom and then someone that wants to patronize you, they will go at the foot of the site. They will discover that you are not the owner, you are not the person that owns the project. In fact, you contracted somebody to build it. So it's like a debit to your business. It creates it creates uncertainties, and it puts people, so many people that will do bigger business with you, they will know that instead of dealing with this guy or this woman, they will go elsewhere, those places where they point the link to contact them for a very serious business deal. But when they see you and you are the brand owner of this project, everything is developed by you, it means you are the custodial right of the project, even if you are a reseller on this script, because there's some plan that don't give you access to the software. But even if you are a reseller in the reseller plan, you will be getting a branded white label solutions that everything is done powered by you. So that way you will become known by your uniqueness in terms of you are the owner of this application. Now, bonuses, you will get also these bonuses when you order for this script. Apart from getting your VTU website developed and designed by us using Universal VTU Script, this VTU business setup solution also comes with below bonuses. When you get seats, you can never get it elsewhere. Okay, one of them is what? YouTube ad course. We have noticed that YouTube is one of the very few places you can get organic traffic. This will allow you to start getting traffic on demands on your VTU business from day one of starting up the business. You may not find this offer anywhere else. So what we're saying is that there is a special course we already developed on this that will enable you to get traffic on demand. So you'll be getting it for absolutely free of charge without paying a dime, just because you opting for this solution. Best, cheapest API. Now, I told you that this script supports multiple API switch. Now, in this section, we are going to be exposing you to several platforms that is very good and reliable in terms of what we have used them for in the past. So that way you can make choices of where to connect your websites to function. So that is what we call the cheapest API. And these are not a place where you see the prices is climbing the ceiling. No, the prices are very much affordable, guys. The fast server with you with SSD. Now, pay attention. Most VTU websites that can stand the test of time are those that are built on a scalable server. So we have taken that into consideration by renting a USA server that will serve you with a very fast load time, and that is operating on SSD technology, which is solid state drive. So with this in mind, even if you have 10 million people that are visiting your website, the server will never crash, guys. This is mind-blowing opportunity I've been waiting for. So these are the three most indispensable bonus you're going to be getting just for laying a hand on this script. Now you may ask yourself why Universal VTU Script is the best. This VTU script is the only script that truly comes with data and airtime delivery without any bugs. Okay, bugs means problems. Okay, in between your customer. Okay, during transactions. Okay, no need to wake up in the middle of night like admin to reverse transaction. Okay, the script handle most advanced automated versions of any VTU portal in Nigeria, making you the admin to work less and earn more in the business. If there is any network issue from your gateway provider, the script will not push the recharge. So the members will not be debited. That way, you as admin can concentrate to do other things on the business instead of reversing transactions all the way. So these are more testimonies from our members, but let's look at the prices, because that's very important. Okay, we have to look at the prices. What are the packages, Shedrach? Since this script is so wow, what are the things? How do I get started? In order to make things easier and straightforward, we have just 4 packages for now, and which you can choose to get started. Remember, this is an introductory price. Once the management decide to change the interface, the prices don't come and say, I watch your presentation, why the price is on this. So the first package there is UVS script pack. Now, this is for developers, people that knows how to build VTU websites. If you are watching this presentation, you pay a token of 30K. This 30,000 will give you the script. Okay, we assume that you know how to do coding and you know how to do programming. So here is what we are going to be giving you. We are going to be having access to VTU, the UVS script. We're going to have access to custom MySQL database. Of course, if you're a developer, you know what is SQL. So you're going to have this. Then say data of all network. You're going to be able to say data of all network. You can install it on unlimited domain name. Okay, you will be given access to where you can source product to get airtime VTU from 1 to 3%. Remember, this script is not like a reseller script where if you sell it to you, will be the one to give you price margin. No, this you are not even connecting to us to source product. So that is what you should be aware of. So, but we have a reliable portfolio of gateway systems that are very flexible. They have been able to do well in the past and in the present. So we are going to be exposing you to them. You now make a choice of preference. Now, MTN SME discount, you're going to be getting from 210 to 220, 225 naira at the moment of recording this, because MTN SME is coming down gradually. So rest be assured you're going to be getting the very best deal, guys. The very best deal. So you can see now you have complete video training on how to do installation of the application to your server. But note that not every server that the script support. So I will advise you rent the server from our own server, because we have tested it is working very fine on the server, on our server. So you can be able to be assured about it. So if you're a developer, you take this package, which is very affordable, 30K, you get it, guys. 30K is enough for you to get started. But if you're not a developer, you want us to build everything, then that is done for me system. Then you go for the first package here, which is UVS basic. This is 50K, that guys. With your 50,000, you are going to be getting the same UVS script. We are going to be developing for you automated data V2 portal. Then you're going to have advanced app landing page. Let me show you what a landing page looks like. You can see here, this is one of the samples, which is cash alert. You can see it here. Though this is developed by us, but this is not exactly how your page will look, but I'm just citing it. The major thing your page is going to have a landing page where a little insight description of the business is going to be described for your intending customer to view about it. Then there are going to be a service category sections where people will now know what you are majorly into, which is of course airtime data and possibly other related services. Then you can see the data prices is going to be spread out. So that is the reasons why you need to understand the category section building of a landing page. We have to put everything that is necessary in line in your landing page. So that's going to be a pricing section, a very good pricing section like this. Then you're going to have a little text, just to prove the reliability of your website. So there are going to be other call to actions for SEO optimization. So you can see it here. So everything is going to be detailed for you. FSQ will be there. So this is exactly example of a landing page. So you're going to get that on this package. You're going to get a very powerful app landing page. Yeah, we're going to be developing the front and back end for you. So you're going to be getting airtime V2 discount from 1 to 3%. The SME is very cheap, as I said, 210 to 225. We just put that range. You may get it lesser than that. Okay. Now, apart from that, if you go down your website, we also come with other mind-blowing features like a powerful user referral system, just like I told you in the up section. But this particular plan comes with .com.ng domain, free SSL certificate. SSL means security of your website. If you look up here, you see that here you can see HTTPS. So your website comes fully loaded with SSL certificate. A membership level system ready in 6 hours after domain propagation and hosting. Full price control system, single API switch integration. So it will come with one API switch integrations. So you may not be able to know how to switch multiple one. at me. But if you want to switch more through one, then go for another plan, which I'm going to show you just in a matter of seconds. Advanced custom reseller page will be there. Just like this page you're watching, this particular video, you are going to have it in your own website. Administrative training guide will be given to you. Then the free access to free telecom hack blueprints. This will enable you to learn how to even build a mobile app in the process. Then YouTube ad course, which I've told you before, you're going to be given access to these two giant hot in demand digital products just for free from this package. Now, if you also go to the next one, which is UVS Advanced, this is 150K. With your 150K, you are going to be getting exactly what you get from the first package. The only difference here and in this particular one is that you are going to be getting the license to the software. So you have to differentiate what makes the other one 150 and the other one 50K and this one 150. These are what makes them different. Here you are going to be getting a free Android app. We're going to design that for you. Free access to cPanel. You see the difference. The other one, you don't have access to cPanel. Now you're going to still have access to the software. So these are the three major things that differentiates it. So you're going to have yourself a cPanel access, free Android app, the license to the script. Then you're also your app will be uploaded in Google Play Store. So these are what differentiates the other one from this. Now the last package here is the one of the one of 400K. And when you get the one of 400K, you're going to get everything on 150K. But the only difference here, I'm going to point the differences for you right now, is this. Now, one is this. You're going to have multiple API switch integration. So you can see the differences. Now, if you're going to have a free Android app, you're going to have custom reseller page, then Android app upload access to cPanel, which of course the other one have it. You're going to have access to cPanel. Not only that, you're going to have access to the system software that was used to build their application. You're going to have access to host unlimited VTU website. So this is a particular cPanel that will be assigned to you, have ability to host unlimited VTU website. So this is mind-blowing, guys. These are what differentiates each packages. Another thing is this. You're going to have a self-funnel development worth 120K. We're going to build a self-funnel where users will naturally go through a little training. Are you getting it now? For them to understand how the system works before they can take action, either to buy from you in terms of being a user or to get the application as a reseller. So you're going to be having email sequence. We're going to automate everything for you. Automated email sequence will come with you. Then lead magnet. Lead magnet has to do with an opt-in that will enable them to give you access to their email for you to give them the training that will enable them to understand how your business functions. So this is mind-blowing, guys. The last package is a mind-blowing. Just with your 400K, you're going to get everything I'm just explaining to you right now. It also comes with opt-in page, as I said, for lead connections. Okay, and it comes with 1 to 10 professional video reviews about your brand and product worth 25K. What it means is this particular package comes with a full YouTube channel that enables you to have, that's it, you can see it at the up here, you can see it comes with a full YouTube channel. So it means is that our team is going to make, we discover that most people that are trying to start this business, most of them don't understand how to, they are camera shy. One, they don't understand how to go about YouTube and every other thing, a way to advertise their product. So we have taken that leap of faith to do the needful for you by running a professional 10 video ads on your YouTube channel that we build that comes along with this package. Now that way your video will be going viral on YouTube, and then it brings clients on demand for you. And not only that, it also comes with 1 month free Facebook paid traffic setup. worth 25k, guys. This is mind-blowing. Now it also can have 1 month Google ad traffic worth 25k. So it means you are going to be spending 50,000 just to run advert for you on Google and Facebook. This is mind-blowing, guys. Now, free advert on trending YouTube channels. This is what 150k. What it means is this: we may air it up in most of our channel about your business, that you are a very reliable person when you talk about data or airtime or setting up VTU websites for others. That way, your business will go zigzag, it go balloon, in the sense that people will naturally come to you because we have an audience already that listen to us. Once we tell them about a particular offer, they will check it out. So this is what this particular package. So this last package is mind blowing. As a matter of fact, this is an introductory promo price, guys. It means that the prices of we are seeing in this presentation may change if you don't take action anytime from now. So take action to get started. Then you may ask yourself, how do I get started? Since I've seen everything about this, one of the first things you have to do is to log into it to see how the app will look like. So if you log into the app, which is app.cashalert.com.ng, it's just like a demonstration to see what the app looks like. You can see everything here. Everything is detailed for you. You can see everything, how it looks like. Then when you are ready to get started, all you have to do is to click on contact us inside the app. You have to click on contact us inside the app. There's going to be a phone number for you to get to contact admin on the app. Let me just log in again. So you have to make a contact to that particular line. Say that I'm interested to own this. Then we'll send you a bank details to pay. Then people are very funny. I keep saying it in most of the presentation we do. You see them that they will now come to WhatsApp and begin to ask, what is Universal VTU Script? So these are the line to call, please. Just make an entry call to this or WhatsApp this. Okay, just click on WhatsApp, then indicate your interest that you want to get this script. Now, you may ask yourself, people are very funny. They will come to DM and then begin to ask, what is UVS? What is Universal Script? What are the features? What are the things? And then they begin to ask questions that you have already seen it has covered. So don't get it all twisted, please. Don't come and start asking questions that this presentation has already offered. The only thing you come to WhatsApp is that you have made up your mind to get started in this business. The next thing is, how do I make payments? I am going for the 50k package. I'm going for the 150k package, because all your questions are all addressed in this video. And besides, the link on this presentation will be on the description of this video. So you can be rest assured that everything has been covered. So when you come to WhatsApp, it should be that I'm now going to make payment. So please, because we are very busy tech guys, we work 247. So go to WhatsApp this line for payment details. Then we're going to give you payment details to make based on the package you have selected, and get started right away to own these particular mind-blowing business opportunities. So I believe you must have gotten value from this, and if you have, please take action right now. Then there is 30 days satisfaction money back guarantee on this, because we guarantee that you're going to make a lot of money in the process. So we are giving you 30 days guarantee on this, and that is a mind-blowing for you. So these are FAQ section you can check out. When will my video portal be ready? In 1 to 12 hours at most. Sometimes your website will be ready within what, 6 hours. That is for the people that order for the basic plan. You are going to be getting your website within 6 hours. Will I have access to cPanel? Yes, on the second package, and as like the third to the last package, you're going to have access to it. Is this script secure? The answer is 100% yes. We have tested it. It's 100% secure. Does the script come support cable and bill payments? No, but we're working to add it up. As I said earlier, how do I see demo of the script? Register and log in to see the demo. You can see the demo right now. You can go through Cash Alert and then register and see the demo. Then does it put order at pending? No, it doesn't put it at pending, guys. So this is mind-blowing opportunity which I have presented to you. I may host Shedrach. Take action right away by contacting admin and then get this application rolling. thank me later for getting access to this wonderful business solution. I remain host Shedrach. I'm gonna see you when you must have bought the application.